Ever wonder if that sleek hoverboard you saw online is a dream ride or a disaster waiting to happen? Today, we're cracking open the Elbme Hoverboard, diving deep into its features, performance, and safety record to see if it's worth your money or just another scam. First up, let's look at the build. The Elbme boasts a sturdy ABS plastic shell, integrated LED lights for visibility, and non-slip footpads. Notice the placement of the power button and charging port, convenient or awkwardly placed. We'll see it also includes built-in speakers, so you can blast your tunes while you glide. Now, let's talk performance. I took the Elbme for a spin on smooth pavement and some slightly rougher terrain. The motor seemed powerful enough to handle slight inclines, but struggled a bit on grass. The turning radius is decent, but it's not the most agile board I've tested. Speed-wise, the Elbme tops out at around 7 miles per hour, which is pretty standard for hoverboards in this price range. Battery life is advertised at 60 minutes, and in my tests, it lasted about 5,055 minutes of continuous use. Safety is paramount, so I put the Elbme through some basic tests. It maintained balance fairly well, even with a few bumps. Crucially, check for UL 2272 certification. This verifies that the battery and electrical system have passed safety standards. Make sure the board you buy has this. What are other users saying? Well, online reviews are mixed. Some praise its ease of use and battery life, while others complain about the build quality and customer service. Look out for common themes in the reviews. Are people consistently experiencing the same issues? So, the verdict? The Elbme Hoverboard offers decent performance for its price point, especially considering the price and features. However, the mixed customer reviews and slightly underwhelming performance on uneven surfaces give me some doubts. Is it a scam? Not necessarily. But proceed with caution and do your research before buying. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.